Hello everyone, welcome to Nadia's Creative Cooking. Today I will be showing you guys how to make this super delicious duck cooked in a red wine and orange sauce. To make this dish, you will need your favorite marinade. I use Haitian epis, dry seasoning of your choice, freshly squeezed lime juice, onions, sweet peppers, cloves, fresh thyme and parsley, shallot, habanero pepper, dry red wine, orange juice, olive oil, tomato sauce, Dijon mustard, black pepper, and of course the duck. First, we are going to clean our meat with lime, vinegar, and salt. Make sure you rub the lime all over the duck so it can be nice and clean. Next, we're going to wash the meat with water, and then we're going to boil water. We're going to add parsley, thyme, and lime to the boiling water. Next, we'll pour the hot water over the meat. We're going to go ahead and remove the meat from the hot water. And add the Haitian epis or your favorite marinade. The dry seasoning, the lime juice, Dijon mustard, and black pepper. And then we're going to mix everything together and let it sit. Next, I have a pot on medium heat. I'm going to add some olive oil in there. When it's nice and hot, I'm going to add some chopped onions and sweet peppers. We're going to cook it until it softens. Then we'll add the tomato sauce and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll add the duck. The orange juice. Wine, fresh thyme and parsley, cloves, habanero pepper, we'll add some water and let it boil until the meat is tender. Do not let the sauce dry up, guys, because you'll drain it. You'll drain the leftover sauce and pour it over the meat. Now that the meat is cooked, I'm going to fry it on medium high heat until I get a nice brown color. And voila! I'm going to enjoy the duck with some delicious rice and potato au gratin. I hope you enjoy this delicious dish, guys, and always be creative in your cooking. I will see you next time.